Hello, in this tutorial we are going to learn how we can do the formatting. Okay, as I have already explained the formatting, you can see I'll just add the value as any value. It could be 100, and with this formatting it is going to just mention here 100 mm center. Okay, so this formatting is very important. So we will see here how we can do this formatting. Okay, it could be center, it could be millimeter, anything you want to just add with these numbers you can do in the formatting as well. Let's suppose with these numbers, okay, it could be 6, 8 or 10. I want to just show here mm as well. Right now I'm going to give here the value as 6, and it is only 6 over here. I can only write here mm. Okay, it is not formatted. So how we can do the formatting over here? I want to just mention here what mm with the numbers. So for this all we need to do is we need to go and right click, go into the format cell option, and in number tab you need to go here in the custom format option. This is very important because we are doing the customization. Okay, and here we need to do this formatting. So first of all we need to show the numbers. It could be 6, 7, 8, 9. For numbers we can give here hash. Okay, what hash? This is basically representing the numbers, and anything that we want to just show here with these numbers, that will be called as formatting. We need to put it under double quotes. Double quotes, important. So I want to show here mm. So what I'll do, I'll just give the space because I want some space over here with these numbers. So numbers, then space, then anything I want to show over here, we need to put it under double quotes. And where are double quotes? With enter key we have double quotes, and if you want to add here the double quotes, all you need to do is you need to press and hold shift key and then press that particular key, okay, in order to put here double quotes. Then under these double quotes you can put any of the value. So I want to put here mm. Okay, then again I'll close these double quotes, okay, with the same method, and I'll hit enter. Now let's put the value over here, 9. Hit enter. So right now you can see it is 9 mm. We have put only the value as 9. It is showing here mm. Okay, so right now if you want to just show here 100 mm center to center for the spacing as well, again right click, go into format cell, go into custom. Okay, and then with the numbers I want to show here mm center to center. So again, first of all I'll just put here the numbers, then I'll give the space, then double quotes. Okay, then mm space center to center C/C, then with double quotes I'll just close this one. Okay, and I'll hit it enter. Okay, then let's put the value over here, 10. Hit enter. You can see 10 millimeter center to center. So this is how we can do the formatting. Let's suppose instead of doing it again over here, okay, I can copy this formatting as well. How? I'll select this one and I'll go here in the format painter option under home tab. I'll double click over here and I'll just select the cell where I want to just format this. Okay, this one and this one as well. Now let's do it again. I'll put here 12, hit enter. Now you can see 12 mm center, and then 16, hit enter. So 16 mm center. So this is how, if you want to just copy and paste the format, you can use this tool as well. All you need to do is you need to find out for one cell, then you can copy and paste in any of the cell that you need. Okay, so hope you really understand the process how we can do the formatting. This is also very important, and now from the next tutorial we'll find out the ball bending.